Good day, sir. I am Incipian Miguel Albalentos. This is my continuation recitation in full rigs. Rule 9, Narrow Channel. Section A. A vessel proceeding along the course of narrow channel or fairway shall keep as near of the water limit of the channel or fairway which lies her starboard side as a safe and predictable. Section B. A vessel of less than 20 meters in length or a sailing vessel shall be impede the passage of vessel which can safely navigate only within a narrow channel or fairway. Section C. A vessel engaged in fishing shall not impede the passage of any other vessel navigating within a narrow channel or fairway. Section D. A vessel shall not cross a narrow channel or fairway if such crossing impedes the passage of vessel which can safely navigate only within such channel or fairway. The latter vessel may use the sound signal prescribed in Rule 34 TF and doubt as the intention of crossing vessel. Section E. A narrow channel or fairway when overtaking can take place only if the vessel be overtaken has to take in action to permit safe passing. The vessel intending to overtake shall indicate sounding the appropriate signal prescribed in Rule 34C. The vessel to be overtaken shall in agreement sound the steps to permit safe passing. If in doubt, she may sound the signal prescribed in Rule 34D. Section 1. These rules does not relieve the overtaking vessel of her obligation under Rule 13. Section F. A vessel nearing a bend or an area or narrow channel or fairway with the vessel may be obscured by an intervening obstruction shall navigate with particular alertness and caution and shall sound the appropriate signal prescribed in Rule 34E. Section G. Any vessel shall, if the circumstance of the case admit, avoid anchoring a narrow channel.